Hey everyone, welcome back again in my new travel blog on the most famous place, that is Manali. The experience which I had here was very relaxed, pleasing and also enthusiastic. And the culture is also unforgotten in between these beautiful scenes. So here, my dreaming Manali journey starts with the Solang Valley. One of the valley in Himachal Pradesh covered with a lot of snows, especially in winters. The experience walking across the streets of Solang Valley was very new and fascinating to me. When I looked around to the hills, that was a magical experience which I had. While walking towards Solang Valley, the path which we had was very slippery and difficult to go through. Sometimes we feel like difficult to take breath above 7,000 feet because of low oxygen level. But it's often ignored because when we look at these amazing hills, the amazing mountains, that time we forget every illness that we had. The speciality of Solang Valley is the activities that performed here. Like you can see, the paragliding was amazing when we fly in the skies. The next activity is ski. All kind of these activities are performed in these valleys and the hills of snows, especially in winters. Hello guys, welcome back again from Solang Valley in Manali. You can see behind me a beautiful view of snows and hills that is more fascinating among all, and I'm enjoying here. And such a experience and joy you only feel when you visit this place, like I'm doing here. The second day of my Manali journey had came at Jogini waterfall. The speciality of this waterfall is when the water falls from the vertical path that is very straight. Guys, you can see everyone is climbing onto the mountain of Himachals. Very fascinating to see. Of Himachals. It was very difficult climbing for the visitor who are very new because of the snows, especially in winters. And this is straight vertical path of Jogini Hills. On the same day, we visited the temple Vashisht. The Vashisht temple is famous because of the presence of the Rishi Vashisht. Hello guys, guess what? We're at Vashisht temple, the famous temple. A Rishi. Few of the places in Manali is really very cinematic if you would discover it. The third and the last day of our Manali tour was for the discovering Manali town. This is famous and ancient Hidimba temple, the Hidimba which you heard in Mahabharata, the wife of Bhim Hidimba. You can also taste the culture of Himachal Pradesh next to the Hidimba temple. At the same place you can take a ride on the yak, the wild yak, and see the beautiful animals and how they adapted the weather. For the tourist, there is a place Mall Road where you can shop anything which is famous for that particular region. So it was my experience in Manali. I hope you like this video and I know you would definitely visit it.